Introduction to the Structure and Composition of Earth's Atmosphere by Ryan Boudre. Some terms to know. Atmosphere, the gases, droplets, and particles surrounding Earth's surface. Weather, day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. Climate, the statistical properties of the atmosphere, including measures of average conditions, variability, etc. Climatology, the study of long-term atmospheric conditions. A fact, the total mass of the atmosphere is equivalent to 5.65 billion million tons. The structure of the atmosphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere, where almost all the weather takes place. As you rise in altitude, decreasing temperatures occur. The depth of the troposphere is 8 to 16 kilometers, or 3.6 to 10 miles. The stratosphere is the second lowest layer in the atmosphere, above the troposphere. There is very little weather occurring in this section. As you increase in altitude, the temperatures also increase. The depth is approximately 20 kilometers. Next is the mesosphere, the third layer in the atmosphere. As you increase in altitude, the temperatures begin to decrease again. The depth is approximately 80 kilometers or 50 miles. The thermosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. As you increase in altitude, the temperatures also increase. The depths begin at 80 kilometers and go out to infinity. Additions to the structure. The tropopause is a transition zone located in the troposphere where the temperature ceases to decrease. The stratopause is at the very top of the stratosphere, and temperatures also continue to increase as they do in the stratosphere. The ozone layer, which is within the stratosphere, where the gas known as ozone is abundant. The mesopause is the very top of the mesosphere, continuing into the thermosphere. And lastly, the ionosphere, which extends from the upper mesosphere into the thermosphere. This is a picture that illustrates the makeup of the structure vertically of the atmosphere. On the left, the altitude is shown in kilometers. On the right, the altitude is shown in miles. The numbers on the bottom is the temperature at which is in each section of the structure. The red line is where the temperature is indicated. Now that we talked about the structure, we will talk about the composition of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of two things: a mixture of invisible gases and a large number of suspended microscopic particles and water droplets. Some relevant terms to know. The homosphere is the lowest 80 kilometers of the atmosphere, which the relative abundance of the permanent gases is constant. The heterosphere is the high atmosphere, where gases are not well mixed, but rather are stratified according to weight, where lighter weighing gases are found. Two gases that make up the atmosphere: permanent gases, which are gases whose relative abundance is constant within the homosphere, and variable gases, gases present in amounts that vary greatly in abundance, either vertically, horizontally, or seasonal. Water vapor is the most important variable gas. This is a chart that shows the permanent gases on the left side with their percentage of what they make up in the atmosphere, and on the right side, variable gases, which do not have a percentage because of their constant change. Listed are the resources I used to find pictures, charts, and information for this material covered. Thank you for watching.